advisor. Looking to save on flights? Google Flights is a powerful tool that can help you and your friends find cheap tickets and save money on your next adventure. Let's dive in and go over everything you need to know. First, head to flights.google.com. You'll see a search bar where you can enter your travel details, departure city, destination, and travel dates. But here's a tip. If your dates are flexible, you can really save big. Click on the calendar icon next to the dates. Google Flights will show you prices for each day in the month. Green and blue prices are often the cheapest, while orange and red ones are higher. Choose dates with lower fares to find the best deal. Not sure where you want to go? Try the Explore tab. You can set a general time frame and budget, and Google Flights will show you destinations worldwide with the best prices. This is perfect if you're open to discovering new places. Next, Google Flights has a Track Prices feature, which is a game changer. If you have a set destination and date in mind, click Track Prices at the top of the results page. This way, Google Flights will send you email updates whenever prices drop. Another way to save is by looking at nearby airports. Click on your destination, and Google Flights will show you alternative airports with lower fares. This could mean a longer drive or shuttle, but the savings might be worth it. You can also filter flights to find the best deals for your needs. Use filters to see only non-stop flights, select specific airlines, and set your preferred departure and arrival times. This helps you narrow down options quickly. Finally, check out the price graph. This feature lets you view price trends over time so you can decide if you want to book now or wait. This is especially helpful if you're planning a trip a few months in advance. To recap, use the flexible date calendar, Explore tab, price tracking, nearby airports, filters, and price graph to find the best deals. Google Flights gives you all the tools to book your flight at the best possible price. With these tips, you're all set to find your next adventure at a great price. Happy travels.